Hello everyone. In this video, self-assessment term 1 SA1 exam 2025-26 class 9th subject general science paper 1 physical science PS. Discuss in the video, like, share and subscribe to channel. Let's start the video. Physical science class 9th, total marks 40, time duration allow 1 hour 30 minutes. Let's start the paper and the key. Section A, multiple choice question. Each question has 4 options, out of which one option is correct. Question number 1, a car travels a distance of 20 km from point A to point B, and to return point A, the displacement of the car is. Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final point since the car returned to the starting points. So displacement is 0. Option C is the correct answer of the question number 1. Question number 2. What does the slope of velocity time graph represent? Distance, displacement, acceleration, speed. What is the answer? Answer is acceleration. Velocity time graph is called acceleration. Question number 3. Which of the following process involve a change of state directly solid to gas? Evaporation, condensation, sublimation, boiling. Answer becomes sublimation is the correct answer. Direct process solid to gas is called a process of sublimation. Question number 4. The arrangement of particles most order. Which types of the state most ordered of particles? Solid, liquid, gaseous, plasma. Answer solid, tightly packed. Question number 5. According to the Newton's first law of motion, an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force, balance force, gravitational force, friction force. What is the answer? Unbalanced force. Option E is the correct answer. Momentum is product of mass and velocity, mass and acceleration, force and time, force and velocity. Answer is mass and velocity. Question number 7. Which of the following which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? Same type of constituents: sand and water, sugar solution, soil, milk. What is the answer? Answer option B, sugar. Question number 8. The Tyndall effect shown by true solution, collide, suspension, both B and C. Answer both B and C. Effect on the Tyndall effect. Question number 9. The value of gravitational constant. The value of gravitational constant. What is the answer? 6.673 multiply 10 की power of minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. Question number 10. The weight of an object on the moon is about dash of its weight on earth. What is the option? 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 2, 1 by 8. What is the answer? Option B, 1 by 6. Section B. Answer the following question in your answer booklet. What is the difference between distance and the displacement? Define inertia. Which has more inertia, a cricket ball or tennis ball? Question number 13. State the universal law of gravitation. Section C. Answer the following question in your answer booklet. Question number 14. Define evaporation. What are the factors that affect the rate of evaporation? What is a collide? Write any three properties of collides. 8 marks question. State and explain Newton's three law of motion with one example for each. Differentiate between mixture and compound with suitable example. Describe the following separation technique with one example each: evaporation, centrifugation, separating funnels, chromatography. Now to start the answer. First answer, a car traveled distance of 20 km from point A to point B at return point A. The displacement of car is 0. What does the slope of time velocity graph? Answer is acceleration. Which of the following process involve a change of state directly from solid to gas? Answer is sublimation. The arrangement of particle is most ordered is solid. According to the Newton's first law of motion of an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Question number 6. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? Answer is a sugar solution. The Tyndall effect is shown by both B and C, collide and suspension. While collide are a primary example, suspension is also scatter light. The value of G 6.673 multiply 10 की power of minus 11 Newton meter square by kg square. The weight of the object of the moon is a dash weight of earth. Answer is 1 by 6. Short answer question. Write difference between distance and displacement. What is the distance? The total path length covered by object. It is a scalar quantity. Magnitude only. Displacement, the shortest straight line path measured from initial position to the final position. It is a vector quantity. They have magnitude and direction. Define inertia. Which has more inertia, cricket ball or tennis ball? Inertia is a natural tendency of an object to resist a change in state of motion or of rest. Inertia is a directly proportional to the mass. Since cricket ball has a more mass than a tennis ball, the cricket ball has more inertia. Universal law of gravitational. Every object in the universe attract each other object with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. F equal to gravitational constant m1 m2 by r square. Question number 14. Define evaporation. What are the factors that affect rate of evaporation? The phenomena of change of liquid into vapors at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Factor surface area. Increase surface area, increase evaporation. Temperature, higher temperature increase evaporation. Humidity, lower humidity increasing evaporation. Wind speed, higher wind speed increase evaporation. What is a collide? Write any three properties of collide. A collide is a heterogeneous mixture with the particle size in intermediate between true solution and suspension. The particles are spread evenly throughout the solution. It is a heterogeneous mixture. The particle scatter a beam of light passing through it. Tyndall effect. The particle do not settle down when left undisturbed. 16th A. Explain the Newton's three law of motion and one example. First law, an object remains in state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an external unbalanced force. Example, a book lying on the table stay there until pushed. Second law, the rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of the force, F equal to ma. Third law, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Walking on the ground, we push ground back and ground pushes up forward. What is the acceleration due to gravity? Derive the expression g on the surface of the earth. What is the difference between g and g? The acceleration produced in a freely falling body due to gravitational force on the earth, force equal to g mm by r square, universal law, force equal to mg, equating both the equation mg equal to g mm by r square, g equal to gm by r square. G is a acceleration due to gravity. Value of change from place to place value is 9.8 meter per second square. Gravitational constant, universal gravitational constant everywhere in universe, value 6.673 into 10 की power of -11 Newton meter square by kg square. Differentiate between mixture compound with suitable example. Mixture, element or compound just mix together to form a mixture and no new compound is formed. They show the properties constituents, substance, component can be separated by physical method. Example, air, soil. Compound, element reacted to form new compound. The new substance has totally different properties. Component can be separated by only chemical method, water and salt. And the internal question, describe the separation technique. One example, evaporation, used to separate non-volatile solid for a volatile liquid. Obtaining salt from seawater. Centrifugation, used to separate denser particle from lighter particle by spinning at high speed, separating cream from milk. Separating funnel, used to separate two immiscible liquid based on density, oil and water. Chromatography, used to separate solutes that dissolve in the same solvent, separating pigments from colors and ink. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to channel Manish Sir YouTube channel and press bell icon button for the notification. Thank you so much.